Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making some oat milk. Really healthy, very quick to make, and of course it's dairy free. So we're going to be using some normal rolled oats, need the blender, and you've got a nut milk bag, which is really good because it's very fine, as you can see. So we're going to start with water. Now my tip is this water should be in the fridge for at least 15 minutes before we're going to use it. That's how the milk comes out so lovely. So we're going to start now with 1 cup of oats and put that in our blender. And then what you want to do is pour your water in so it covers the oats, and then that it doubles the amount of the oats. You can see I had half of my blender full of oats, now it's a full cup. As you can see, just giving it a shake, you can see some of that, just the colour that's coming off that already, the natural. So I'm going to give it a whiz, but don't whiz it too long because that's where it gets a little bit slimy. So whizzing it exactly for 5 seconds only here. I'm going to stop that, check it, and I'm going to go for another 2 seconds. And that's it, no more after that. So I'm just going to get our bowl ready and the bag ready. And go ahead and just pour that all in. So where you're going to get your hands dirty, I'm afraid. So, because what you want to do is just squeeze all that milk out. Keep squeezing. Now I've squeezed it until there's a little bit of moisture still left in there because I don't want those last little bits. Again, that can make your milk go slimy. And inside here you'll see it's just the oat mixture. Save that, put that in the freezer, and we can make something with that another time. So here's the milk. You can see it's a lovely consistency, really nice, and we're just going to go ahead and pour that into a glass. And there you have it, lovely, healthy, very quick oat milk, and so much more cheaper than the shops. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know how you got on in the comments.